Hi, my name's Catherine and I'm from Victim Support. If you've suffered either physical or mental injuries as a direct result of violent crime, you may be eligible for compensation from the Criminal Injuries Compensation Authority, or the CICA. Today I'll be giving you an introduction to the Criminal Injuries Compensation Scheme. The Criminal Injuries Compensation Scheme is funded by the government and it was set up to compensate blameless victims of violent crime in Great Britain. Parliament has set the rules of the scheme. They've decided which injuries are eligible for compensation and how much money you can be awarded depending on your injuries and your circumstances. Now, we understand that no amount of money can fully compensate you for what you might have suffered. An award's intended to show that society recognises what you've been through and that you're a blameless victim of violent crime. The money comes from public funds, not the offender. Applying for criminal injuries compensation should be a last resort. CICA may ask for evidence that you've taken all reasonable steps to access any other types of compensation or payments to which you may be entitled. Now, this may include looking into whether it's possible to claim compensation from your assailant, or maybe asking your employer about damages or insurance entitlements, and also applying for any relevant benefits. However, it's important to remember to apply for CICA as soon as possible, whether or not you are making any other claims. Now, this should normally be within 2 years of the incident, but CICA can extend that time limit in certain circumstances. CICA want to make applying for compensation as easy as possible for you. Compensation for crimes of sexual violence is paid in recognition of the distress and mental trauma you have suffered. To allow CICA to settle your claim quickly and with the least possible intrusion, they can use fixed payments which are based on the nature of the assault. If you choose this service, CICA will check your eligibility and ask the police to send them a report of the crime. They'll write to you with a decision, and they will not need to obtain and examine your medical records. For most applicants, CICA can complete this process in around 8 weeks. If you have additional physical injuries or have suffered a disabling mental injury, this option will not be right for you. These claims are more complex, and CICA would need to examine your medical records. Is claiming criminal injuries compensation right for you? Well, there are different types of claims that CICA will consider. You've got claims for personal injury, claims for personal injury resulting from a period of abuse, and also claims from close relatives of people who have received fatal injuries as a direct result of violent crime. Visit the relevant video for your circumstances. We hope this is going to make you feel better informed about whether applying to CICA is right for you.